our tour of the farm. So right here, we're in the barn right now. So we're gonna go over.
And we are farmers.
You farmers?
My mom is farmers, and so my sister.
Yeah.
And
So we're gonna come to see the milk stand. This is our setup for the milk stand. The goats go up here, the big ones go up here, the small ones go down there.
yeah,
We
guys.
actually made this ourselves. Well,
Yeah.
our mom and dad did. This is where we sit and go.
And I went out there, and Bella was cleaning it.
And it's also used for hoof trimming to
Yep.
keep them steady.
Anyway, it was for milking.
Yeah, milking and hoof
These
cleaning.
are the food troughs. This one was made from wood.
And we had to our church, so yeah.
Yeah, we already did all our chores.
Mainly all the kids did the work.
Oh,
And yeah, and Bella and me and Mom did it.
yeah. Did you guys tear the bale apart and I moved it all over here?
Probably.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is our chicken coop.
Now the chicken coop is nothing but mud now. Once it rains, it just flows in here. We need to move the water, don't we? We need to do some digging.
This is our nice chicken coop. And over here is our brooder pen.
So here's some chickens. A lot of them are out already.
There's baby duckies inside.
There's the baby duckies.
Ew, is that pee?
No, it's probably just water. I just watered
And
them.
one of them died.
Yeah, you almost can't see that brown one. There it is. So we have 5.
Now here we are outside of the barn. We will show you guys our tractor and our thing. Here's our hay bale that we slide off of. Let me show an example. Ow, wait, will my butt get wet? Keep my foot
Yeah.
off. Then I'm not going to do it.
You can do it. You can change when you go in.
Yes,
What happened?
Duffy and Mom.
Something's in your shoe? Sit down and get it out.
Now it on me. So we climb up here on the ladder. And then we sit and then slide. You see the slide, but Mommy said we can't.
get out.
The piece of wood?
Fun!
Yay! There's Mittens. He's about to climb another tree. Mittens is our inside-outside cat. We're trying to bring him out more.
Ouch. You were
Yeah.
But he likes to climb trees and get stuck in them. Did you eat it off the trash can? So what happened to, you tell them what happened to our tarp system here?
Oh, yeah. So my parents worked like last year, or like the beginning of the year or something.
It was springtime.
Yeah, worked very hard to build that, and then the wind just took it down
The
a
wind
couple
just
months
took
ago.
it out. Well, that's probably about a month ago.
Yeah.
All right, what do you want to show them next?
Now we will show you our nice swing.
Yeah, our nice swing is my mom always put me, and that's my favorite tree our swing is on. Okay?
It's snowing today, isn't it, guys?
And Mom warned about those things.
Mm-hmm.
It's
And
snowing.
this is our tractor.
Yeah, my dad bought this tractor from someone.
Me
Mm-hmm.
and my brother.
Is that my dad water tractor? No, anymore.
You want to tell them about, yeah, that's your dad's other tractor. And there's Daisy.
Guess what? Our dad.
We bring one of the dogs out in the
Me and-
mornings now.
Hey, Mommy. Me and my brother pretend like we drive to Florida.
Yeah,
Like you, oh, you guys pretend like you're driving to Florida?
Yeah, on it. Oh no, I want to lick it.
Don't lick the tire.
Swing. That we have very good fun on.
it.
We're getting
And this is my favorite swing. We put this swing on.
It's cold.
Mm-hmm. We gotta watch out for the tractor now, don't we?
It's fun. Oh, it's actually
We need to
good.
move it.
It's actually good for me. That's right there.
Oh, do you kick off of it?
I can't quite reach there.
Oh.
I think I'll
for
you.
kicking me.
Okay. Now here is my
Mom,
favorite tree. This is Dawson's favorite tree. This is my
Yeah,
favorite
this
tree.
is Dawson's favorite tree.
Yeah. Ta-da. This
Oh, hang on. Bubba wants to swing too.
My dad swing. Put it on. And yeah, Missy got stuck and Bella Bear
Yes.
like that.
Mittens. Don't climb all the way up, okay? This is Bella's favorite tree.
And Missy got stuck up there, and my mom tried getting down one. And
Yeah. He wasn't coming down, so I had to get him unstuck.
Yeah, with the ladder.
High places.
Yeah, so far he's got stuck at the
Down.
top of the barn and now in the tree.
And this is the dust. This is the dust. What you call it again, Mom?
What, our homestead?
Yeah.
Duff Days.
Homestead.
Duff
Yeah.
Days Homestead.
Yeah. Duff says homestead. Yeah. This is and we are farmer. We work hard.
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys. So I got to climb up here.
And here we are in a goat pen. Mommy took these pallets out from that place. Wow, you took out a lot of pallets.
Mm-hmm.
More than I thought you did. And this is our sweet cat Mittens and our sweet dog Daisy. She actually will
Uh-oh.
and she will actually break up fights with the other dogs. She's the touching.
Did you just see what happened?
Yeah.
Miss Boss there just headbutted Mittens.
She's the touching, loving one, is Daisy. Oh my
She
God.
doesn't like any other animals. She'll headbutt the dog too. Get.
Look, a chicken print.
Don't be mean.
I saw it.
All right, you getting down, Bubba?
But her.
No, she's not gonna headbutt you. She just don't like the other animals.
Mommy.
But I'm an animal.
You're being rotten today.
But I'm an animal.
You're not an animal.
Yes, I am.
She won't headbutt you. She's never headbutted
go.
your kids.
Mom, help me.
It's
Let's
Miss-
go.
It's just Miss Tilly.
I don't know what to go.
Get down.
One time when I
I saw a chicken print in the
You see a
mud.
chicken print?
Now let's go to their feed truck.
You want to show me the chicken print?
I got a ding.
And I didn't step on it. Hey, there's some right there too.
Oh yeah. Lots of chicken prints.
We usually see goats.
So muddy out here right now.
Now let's go see the feed truck.
The feed trough.
It is actually a old crib
Mm.
that they have headbutted so they could stick their heads in.
Yeah, they made their own head spots, didn't they?
And this was a rabbit hutch, but we turned it into a goat house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're not. This is my sister, goat sister. We were born on the same day.
Yeah.
She was
You were?
born on my birthday
Yes, she was.
last year.
Her and her brother.
Get up. Get up. Yes, I will have to visit my brother. He is an adult.
You're hard.
Get up.
You. Hi, big mommy. I got
And that's where the goats stay.
I'm petting her.
They have these, this stuff here. What's it called?
Guys,
Yes,
Hang on.
we have salt and mineral. And
So-
this
There's
is
salt and minerals.
say, guys, I want to tell you
the
something.
nice
So,
warm.
Daisy, you know what? Mama also want to be a good girl, and they are, they've been a bad girl. And
Yeah,
that is
Daisy
God.
got in our compost.
And that used to be where we milk in here. And
Yeah,
it's
and
so
she
we
got
moved in there.
Yeah, so Dawson's telling you that we used to milk in here when we just had a few goats.
Yeah, and
But
they
then
were
when we got
headbutting
too
on
many
the door.
goats, we had to move it outside of the goat pen because they would headbutt this door here,
And this is our heat lamp, and then I bet you're wondering.
which we only use when it's super, super cold out.
And I bet you guys are wondering why do they have tarps here? It's to keep the wind out from the goats. You know
Yeah.
they tear it up. They have tear it up.
Yeah, they tore up the bottom. I just never redid it this year.
Yes. Anyway, here we are at our place. Our trampoline is full. I see, so we're gonna show you guys how we bath.
Oh, I need to move the steps again where we moved the trampoline when we did the fence.
I'm going to show you.
I'm gonna take my shoes off because that's what you. Okay.
Well, your feet, I would normally you would take your shoes off, but I would say leave them on right now.
Yeah. Hi, guys. Woo. This. Oh.
It's slippery, be careful.
It's
Yeah, we had to rebuild some of it.
Fun slide, which I'm pretty sure is probably covered in snow.
Hey guys, you know what? This is our ladder. I'll get up here.
Our parents built it.
Yeah, we basically had to redo the whole clubhouse.
This way, here, where I climb up.
Oh, and this is going to be fun because it's icy.
Yeah.
It's not very slidey.
Slippery.
Once you get to the ice, it's slippery. And then,
So this was fun with you guys. I'm glad you got to see a tour of the farm. That's our pond right there. We have a pond right there.
Well, it doesn't collect water though. It will one day.
It was a fun when we were kids.
Yeah.
And this has been an awesome time with you guys. Dawson, come here. Say bye to the friends. So thank you.
I'm having fun.
Okay, just say bye to the
Wait, Mom, I want you to record something for Dad.
Okay, hang on. We're going to tell them bye.
Bye, guys. Hope you liked this video of Bella and Dawson's World. Stay tuned for next time for our next video.
Yeah!
Hope you guys have fun.